Drone maintenance made easy. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to discuss an interesting and modern topic, drone maintenance. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, and knowing how to talk about their maintenance is both useful and exciting. So, let's dive into the world of drones and learn some valuable English phrases along the way. Drone maintenance refers to the regular checks and repairs done to ensure that a drone is safe, functional, and operates at its best. Just like cars need regular servicing, drones also require attention to keep them flying smoothly. Maintenance can involve software updates, hardware checks, and repairs of damaged parts. Maintaining your drone is crucial for several reasons. Safety. Proper maintenance ensures that the drone doesn't malfunction, which can be a safety hazard. Performance. Regular checks keep the drone performing at its peak. Longevity. Well-maintained drones have a longer lifespan, saving you money in the long run. Here are some basic maintenance tips every drone owner should know. 1. Check the propellers. Ensure they are intact and securely attached. 2. Inspect the battery. Look for signs of damage or swelling. 3. Update the software. Regularly update the drone's firmware to the latest version. 4. Clean the drone. Keep the camera lens and sensors free of dust and debris. While basic maintenance can be done at home, some situations require professional attention. When you notice unusual noises or movements during flight, after a crash or significant impact, even if there's no visible damage, if there's water damage or exposure to extreme temperatures. And that wraps up our journey into drone maintenance. Remember, keeping your drone in top condition is essential for safe and enjoyable flying. We hope this video has been informative and has added some valuable phrases to your English vocabulary. Happy flying, and see you in our next video.